I'm going to tell you the advantages of a stainless braided brake hose over an OEM rubber hose. I'm Paul with Classic Tube with the Classic Tube Tech Tip. Today we're talking about stainless braided brake hoses and their advantage over rubber OEM brake hoses. Brake systems can see up to 1,000 psi of pressure under hard braking. A rubber brake hose will expand with that pressure. The advantages of a stainless braided brake hose is that there's virtually no volumetric expansion. This leads to a firmer pedal with a more immediate response to your braking, decreased stopping distance, and there's no question they outlast rubber hoses. Our Stop Flex hoses are made to OEM specifications. To find the right hose, call our sales techs and don't forget to watch our playlist.